Hello friends, now I will tell you how you can use this project. So, after unpacking the archive, you will find there three folders: From, Colored Steel, and Gold. You need to place these folders in respective directories of Adobe. In Adobe, all the presets are placed in the following folders. For Windows, it's Adobe, After Effects, your version of After Effects, and user presets. For Mac, it's Adobe After Effects, your version, and user presets. More information you can find on the website of Adobe. Here is the link, and also you can find it in the help guide PDF file. After installation, you need to reload Adobe After Effects. After that, you are supposed to find in the folder Effects Presets, Animation Presets, User Presets, your three folders: Chrome, Colored Steel, and Gold. Let's have a look on how we can use these presets. Open the folder StevePFX Gold. As you can see, here we have 6 different presets for 6 different sizes of letters. For example, if we have very big letters, we should use a preset for K. So let's choose it. You need to choose the text layer that you're going to apply this preset. After you choose it, you just drag and drop the preset on the layer. After that, you can see that your text automatically became golden. So for text, which size is more than 450 pixels, I recommend using 4K preset. For text, which size is between 200 and 450 pixels, I recommend that you use preset 1080p. And for even smaller text between 100 and 200 pixels, I recommend using preset for 720p. And for the smallest text, like this one, I recommend using preset 480p. And now let's see what kind of tools you can use to adjust these presets. First is reflection speed. This is an animated preset, which means that flicks are going to move. And the bigger number you're going to put here, the faster the flicks are going to twinkle. Next, reflection blur. This tool is used to actually blur your reflections or flicks, and if you put 0, there is no blur at all, and the lines are very sharp, and if you put 100, it's completely blurred. Next, reflection softness. This parameter is used to adjust the surface of the letters, and it is largely dependent on the size of the letters. Therefore, you have to adjust this parameter for every different text that you want to apply. The tool Bevel is used to adjust curves of the letter, and now you can see how the visualization of letters is changing when I change the numbers. You have to try different numbers and see which works better with your project. Also, letters have pre-installed shadows and glow. And of course, you can turn it off. Here you can see how I turn off the shadows and the glow. And of course, you can adjust all the other settings. But be aware that the change of the letter requires a rather decent knowledge of the work of plugins and sets. Also, the project includes plugins that can change the appearance of the text. The name of these plugins are GoldFX 4K Fade In and GoldFX 1080p Fade In. What you have to do is just to appoint this preset to your text or logo. In order to do that, you just place the time slider at the beginning and you drag and drop the respective preset at your layer. And after we render the animation, we can see that now our letter slowly fades in from the darkness. If you want to change the speed of fading in, you need to select your layer and see the animation keys. You have to select all the keys, press Alt key, and now you can change the tempo of fade in. In the same way, the Chrome preset apply. There is the same quantity of 6 presets in this folder, and they work in the same way. Considering the size of your text or logo, you choose respective preset. So you can see here 4K preset, 1080p, 720p, and 480p. So you can see it works in basically the same way. But also this pack includes presets to imitate colored steel. These presets have two additional settings. First is color, that of course can be changed. So the first setting is hue, second saturation, and the third one lightness.